Hello, today we're talking about clutter, and the clutter we're talking about is sentimental clutter. And the reason it's sentimental is because you have so many memories attached to the clutter. But the thing that I want you to be aware of is that your loved ones aren't in the clutter. They have passed on and they didn't need these things and they left them behind for you to deal with. And dealing with them does not mean storing them in your house, because no longer are they creating lovely memories. They're starting to create a feeling of oppression because you have so much. It's not fair to you. It's not fair to your family. It's not fair to the memory of your loved one. So start getting rid of those things, and you deserve to go ahead and have a great life without being so pulled down by sadness or memories. Memories are wonderful to have, and certain things do stir up memories, and of course you can keep a few things, but it's the excessive collection of memorabilia that creates clutter that is no longer a happy place. So today, start letting go of some of those things, especially now at this time of year when there's so many of them that you'll be pulling out. Get rid of some of those things, and remember to make it a great day.